So we have a review SOH CAH TOA problem here, but in a real world scenario. So suppose you travel a distance of d equals 8.77 kilometers and at an angle of theta equals 57.6 degrees north of east. How far east did you travel and how far north did you travel? So how far east, we can use SOH CAH TOA to find a proportion. So we have theta, and we need to find this adjacent side, and we have the hypotenuse. So which proportion uses the adjacent side and the hypotenuse? That is cosine. So cosine theta equals the adjacent side over the hypotenuse. So cosine of 57.6 equals the adjacent side, which we need to find, over the hypotenuse is 8.77. Rearrange this to find the adjacent side. 8.77 times the cosine of 57.6, and we get 4.70 kilometers as the distance that you traveled in the east direction. And how far north? This distance, we need SOH CAH TOA again. So we have the hypotenuse, we have the angle, and we need to find the opposite side, the side opposite to the angle. So that's sine theta equals opposite over hypotenuse. So sine 57.6 equals opposite over hypotenuse, which is 8.77. Rewrite this to get the opposite side. That's a little confusing. Let's just write opposite like that so it doesn't look like a zero. The opposite side will equal 8.77 times the sine of 57.6, and in the calculator we get 7.40 kilometers as the distance that you traveled north.